first of all, happy pujas to you. I have come out with a lot of protection to cover some of the pujas. This is a small puja inside a housing complex. So come, let's get in and see.
Durga Pujas are mainly celebrated for 5 days: Shoshti, Shoptami, Ashtami, Navami, and Dashami. Today is Ashtami, and today is the auspicious day of the Anjali, that is, the flowers offered to Ma Durga. I am here to offer the Ashtami Anjali today.
Now that the Anjali is over, we are going to another puja from Ashtami to Navami. That is called the Sandhi Puja. Sandhi means the joining time between Ashtami and Navami, and for that we need 108 lotuses. That is what is happening right there.
All the Bengalis wait for this festival throughout the year. And to bring color and vibrancy to this festivity, look how the city gears up with so many banners, hoardings, posters, colors. Though this year it is a bit less for the pandemic.
Hi, while pandal hopping, I'm yet again in front of the wonderful pandal. This is Santosh Trikon Park, and I'm just going to get in and see. I have just opened the mask for a little bit of time, but I'm just going to cover it my face. Yeah, this is it. And I'm going to go in now, but in all the pandals there is a very strict restrictions. You cannot go inside. So let's see how much I can see.
This is a unique pandal made with tin drums and bamboos. Great. Normally, these pujas are organized with great pomp and grandeur, but this year, as you can see, the splendor is much toned down due to the pandemic, and every organizers in this city are taking proper precautions. All the makeshift hawkers are missing this time, but we have the spirit in our heart.
With all this pandal hopping, I'm yet again in front of another very famous Durga Puja in the south. This is the Santoshpur Lake Pulli, and this thing is very interesting. So, puja is decorated in a very nice way. It's a very wonderful theme. It's on clay, and many clay images and idols, as we can see, is here. And it's looking very calm, peaceful. It looks like as if we have gone to some village. It's cool. And this Santoshpur Lake Pulli, as I was saying, is a very famous puja and it's very celebrated one. And look at the prices it has got over the years. Yes, Durga Puja is another time when there is a competition on how good the pujas are being held, how good the pandal is, or how wonderful the idol is. And this club seems to have won all. Down the ages, all the years round, these are the prizes. And it is really very evident from the pandal itself, isn't it, guys? It's really sweet. Welcome to Travelalala. Today is the last day of the Durga Puja. Today is the Vijaya Dashami or the Dasera. Today Bengalis have a few rituals to follow, and to see how the rituals are performed and to perform some rituals myself, I have come to the Eastern Metropolitan Club, Kolkata, and see how this club is arranging the Durga Puja and the final rituals of Vijaya Dashami. Let's go inside.
EMC Club is really maintaining this social distancing and taking lot of precautions. This is the paternal house of Ma Durga. Every year she comes with her sons and daughters for 5 days. The last day of her stay is this Dashami. Today, we perform the ritual of bidding adieu to her and whispering in her ears to come back again next year. After this ritual of Devi Boron or bidding adieu to Ma Durga, Bengali married women indulge in this lovely play with the sindoor or the vermilion. After this ritual of Devi Boron and Shindur Khela, we have this ritual of Dhunuchi dance. This we do with the Dhunuchis in our hands and offering it to Ma Durga. Hello guys, it's around kind of midnight, not yet midnight. I'm in front of a small pond where you can see that there is also a lot of goddesses, idols immersed. And I don't know, I'm not sure. I think I am yet to witness another idol being immersed. This is really a very, very important thing for the Bengalis. This is the Durga Puja, the last day, and the idols are being immersed. And this is the replica of Ganga. Whenever we see a pond and we have to immerse it, let's see what happens. So come on, check it out. This is the idol, and it has been carried till here, and it is going to be immersed. I cannot wait and see. We have just now seen the immersion of Devi Durga from Dasnagar Jodhpur Park Club, and this will go on the whole night. And I don't know, it's a very sentimental moment for the Bengalis, and even I am sentimental. So, till the next episode, Trav la la la, Bolo tu kamai ki jai.